Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to use add-ons in Google Docs. First, in the top menu, click on Extensions. From Add-ons, click on Get Add-ons. Now, search for your add-ons. For example, Doc Tools. Click on it. Now, again, click on your add-ons you want to install. Now, click on Install. In this section, choose an account and click on Allow. Now, DocTools has been installed. Click on Done and close the window. Now, for access that add-ons you installed, again, click on Extension on the top. Now, in the menu, you see DocTools section. You can start and use these add-ons. Also, if you want remove add-ons, again on the top click on Extension. From add-ons, click on Manage Add-ons. Now you see a list of add-ons you installed. For delete, click on three dots on that add-ons and choose uninstall. And again click on uninstall app. Now that add-ons was installed. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.